This is just going to be a quick update on these fluorescent lights at the Nature Coast Thrift store in Inverness, Florida. The last time I recorded these lights was about 2 years ago. Here they are, with the magnetic T12s with the cool white halophosphate lamps. Now the sad thing is that this place has just been plunging into darkness for the past 2 years. You can see quite a few of these fixtures are out. It's completely dark over here. You could hardly see anything. Oh, that's kind of interesting. Ha, look at that. There's a little bit of a failure going on in that fixture. That's cool. Certainly never seen rapid start fail like that before. A little bit in that fixture too. Just not so good. They have kind of opened up a little bit more of this to the public recently. If you remember in the previous video, this area back here was all like closed off just for employees only. But now you can kind of get in here. Looks like that fixture has an electronic ballast. Pretty bad. That fixture's not working. There's the light that's in there. Looks like that's a strip light. It's the only strip light I've personally seen here. Maybe there's others in other places. But yeah, just kind of sad to see all this just kind of slowly getting worse and worse as the days go by. This fixture looks like it kind of has a warm white lamp in there. And then here, it's gotten so dark that they had to add this extra light with a 75 watt incandescent bulb in it. And also something I guess I missed in the last video. There's some neat vapor-proof fixtures here, probably long dead. But yeah, it's so dark over here that they've had to add an extra light. That fixture is still working, and this one, of course, is the one electronic T8 free lamp that's still working good. It's just sad to see all these fixtures going bad. But yeah, there's your update on these fixtures. Not really doing so well. That is for sure. It is very, very dark in here. Lots of failing fixtures. Probably half of these are failing. And only half are working, and half that are working are very, very dim, very highly used lamps. Well, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed what you saw, be sure to leave a like down below. Feel free to leave a comment. And if you want to see more cool lighting videos in the future, be sure to subscribe. See you next time.